AVAX is a sleeping giant right now. We starting to see institutions coming in absolutely about to build on the AVAX blockchain. We know about the Evergreen subnet. If you don't know or aren't familiar with the Evergreen subnet that's on AVAX, it's pretty much built out for big institutions to come onto blockchain technology and really start operating, bringing real world assets onto blockchain. And I always say, if you watch any of my previous AVAX videos, I do believe real world assets will be a huge thing when it comes to, cryptocurrencies and bringing those real world assets onto the blockchain, just verifying it, showing ownership, whoever owns those real world assets, whether that's stocks, bonds, real estate, anything that's real world that has some type of title that you can possibly lose. Well, on blockchain, with blockchain technology, is easily or is more easy to put that on a blockchain and show that the ownership is for that person, man. And we also know about AVAX just been building like crazy. We know meme coins was a big sector, is a big sector in the crypto space. They're doing some tremendous things when it comes to meme coins, giving out rewards in AVAX right now just for staking your meme coins. And there's so much more left in the tank for AVAX. And today, man, we're gonna talk about it. Is it possible for AVAX to hit $1,000 in this upcoming cycle? Is it possible? We're gonna go into depth and go into my thesis on why I believe if it is or if it's not, and also how AVAX is still super undervalued right now. So we're gonna talk about that and much more. But before we do that, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on them notifications right now. We at 5,000 subscribers, man. Shout out to everybody who been subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, leaving comments, whether it's positive or negative. I really do appreciate y'all. And we just gonna continue to help the community grow, help, push crypto to the fronters of just any asset class, because I do believe right now crypto is the best asset class to truly, change your life, to truly build wealth. We still super early in the crypto space. We know the Bitcoin halving just happened not too long ago. We got the Bitcoin ETF just passed in the beginning of this year. So many bullish narratives, man, for crypto. And I'm so, happy that we still in this and we just getting started, because 2025 will be a way better year for the crypto space. If you know anything about the Bitcoin halving, we know how prices for Bitcoin come a year after, the halving, and we just had the halving. So it's still so much more room for Bitcoin, but not only Bitcoin, all the altcoins to grow as well. And I do believe this will be a super cycle, and AVAX will be one of the top projects in the upcoming bull market. So let's get straight into it. Enough of the small talk. Let's talk about it. AVAX, where we at with it? What's price looking like today? All right, man, we can see AVAX is currently at $37.12, down 4% on the day. So today is a red day for AVAX, but it's still a good day, man. I tell everybody, you want to buy on the red days, sell on the green days. Don't go outside. Don't try to, time the market. Just accumulate. A lot of people try to time the market, especially if you're not in profit. Now, if you're taking profits, it's always good to take profits, of course. But if you're not in profit, why are you selling at a loss when we have yet to hit the full-on bull market? That's my mental behind it. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. That's just, if we just zoom out, guys, if we zoom out, we see once upon a time in 2020, AVAX was at $5, man. At $5. It went on a run in 2021 to $123, but we saw those crazy dips. And even when it went back to $8, and there was September of 2023, I was saying, man, that's a great buying opportunity. I don't see why people don't buy right there. A lot of people were calling me crazy, like, Tro, you need to get out right now. And guess what AVAX did? Easy 100% gains, man. And I've been scooping AVAX ever since then. but it's still another buying opportunity because we are so far away from all-time highs. Now, if we look at the market cap, we can see $14 billion market cap, ranked number 12. I do believe AVAX can move up those charts just because of everything that they're doing, man. I think a lot of people, don't realize AVAX is really an institutional blockchain with a degenerate idea. So when I say that, or what I mean by that is they're really tracking or attracting a lot of institutional investors, and that's going to be big because that's where the big money is going to come in. But also they have a sector for people like me and you who are absolutely degenerates, who want to just jump in all of these different meme coins on the blockchain. You can do that as well. So it's attracting the best of both worlds, the best of investors, and that's why I love AVAX for that particular reason. I do believe it's super undervalued right now. Now the volume is at 474 million, ranked 20. That's up 31%. So the volume is being pumped. And if we look at the fear and greed index, that's 64 out of 100. So people are slightly becoming more greedy in this market. But we still got so much time left. And the market cap is at $2.4 trillion, down 2% for the entire market cap of the crypto space. So I'm just super bullish, man. If you can't tell, I'm super excited going into 2024. We passed Q1 of 2024, and it's been amazing so far. Of course, we experiences those dips, and that's with any market. You want to have correction because if it goes up too fast, the harder the fall will be. So we want to experience dips, get in those dips, buy the dollar cost average, buy the dips, of course, and just wait till the price appreciate. Now, something that I was talking about, man, institutional investors coming into the AVAX ecosystem. So we can see Clearpool is a lending on-chain credit marketplace connecting institutional borrowers with a worldwide network of lenders. So the recently launched credit vaults are the latest chapter in the explosive growth of real-world assets on Avalanche. So next week we will welcome Clearpool Finn, CEO, to Money Moves, where he will chat with Morgan about how Clearpool's core products are designed to enhance lending efficiency by utilizing real world assets. So this is big, man. I'm telling you, they bringing lending or on-chain credit marketplace to institutional borrowers. And those people have a lot of money to borrow, and the lenders will have a lot of liquidity to give away. And that's just bringing everything on chain, man. And once all these assets absolutely come on chain, you're going to see a big difference in, how we view crypto right now. Of course, it's just like meme coins and, things that, barely have utility right now. But blockchain technology is here to stay. And I always say the project or the blockchain that can really capture, something that's, connecting the real world to blockchain technology, that's going to be the blockchain to win. And AVAX is absolutely doing that by bringing real world assets on chain, being able to verify who actually owns these assets. So that's very big. Now, something else, the Avalanche meme coin rush. Now, AVAX has been giving, money away just by staking or for staking your meme coins for the rush. And right now it's about, I believe last time I checked, it was like $93 million locked in the AVAX meme coin rush. So they just gave away 5,000 AVAX for the third week. So if you have been staking, make sure you go to Trader Joe to check out the rewards that they currently have given away. But this is something big because, like I said, they're approaching it from all different sides of the spectrum, and we love to see that. We love to see AVAX really embrace what crypto is all about, but not only that, actually bring real world utility onto the blockchain. And that's why I'm super bullish on AVAX, and why I do believe is, another reason why it's undervalued. Now, we see as the real world market continues to accelerate, some experts predict it will grow to $10 trillion this decade. So Hopium, real estate equity mortgage lender and security platform, has gone live with its first home equity loans on AVAX. So now they have home loans on AVAX, man. And like I said, real world assets, guys. This is where it's going to be a game changer. All these blockchains they making all these projects. Yes, we need decentralized exchanges. Yes, we do need meme coins. Yes, we do need, AI projects. But at the end of the day, we need something that bridges the real world to blockchain technology. That is what's really going to attract so many people into it, because we know a lot of people, lose their, maybe older people who, back in the day when you had stock certificates and things like that. Well, that's hard to verify if you lose those. But if it's on blockchain, you can always go back to and refer to the ownership. Even with homes, even with real estate, you can put or show that you own something specific in the real world. And I believe that's, the one of the best use cases of blockchain technology. Now, let's talk about it. AVAX, or Avalanche president, was on Fox Business, and we're going to hear what he has to say about the AVAX or Avalanche blockchain.
At the end of the year, that's very aggressive. I think what he's seeing and what I'm seeing that gets him very excited is actually the usage of all the cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin usage is really store value, but although like Avalanche and Ethereum, there's a lot of building on top of those blockchains. Avalanche helps companies build on top of Avalanche, and we're talking and working with places like BlackRock, PayPal. A lot of traditional industry participants are deploying. Even JP Morgan, for whatever Jamie Dimon says about the crypto asset class, the usage of the blockchain is actually happening. So from that perspective, I am super bullish as well for the whole space.
So he mentioned BlackRock, he mentioned PayPal, he even mentioned JP Morgan. That's right. So Avalanche, Avalabs president, has been talking with all of these people, man. And we know BlackRock is the largest money manager in the world, manages trillions of dollars. PayPal is one of the biggest companies, and JP Morgan is one of the biggest banks. And that's something major, because once we bring all of these, money, all this multiple billions dollars of liquidity onto the blockchain, if Avalanche has been talking to them, guess where they are going to want to build? That's right, the Avalanche blockchain, man. That's something very major. I think a lot of people don't realize it, really thinking like, okay, how can we incorporate real world things onto the blockchain? And Avalanche is absolutely attacking it. So I know you're like, Tro, well, what does this have to do with you saying price can go to $1,000 by the end of this year? Now, do I believe it can hit $1,000? Let's just see, man. Let's see. So right now, AVAX, we're looking at AVAX with the market cap of Ethereum. So Ethereum has a $387 billion market cap right now. And if AVAX hits that $387 billion, we are at $1,000. So that's a 27x from here. But will it hit it by the end of, 2024? That's quite unlikely. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That's gonna be hard. I'm not gonna lie, because $387 billion is a lot of money. But I do believe AVAX can hit that possibly in the future if they continue to attract real world investors or real world assets, and talking to these major institutions. And once they bring on, the assets they have onto blockchain, even if they just bring on a small amount, that's going to absolutely help the market cap of the Avalanche or AVAX crypto project. So we are far from that $1,000, but I do believe in this life cycle, AVAX will hit $1,000 if we continue to build out the blockchain. I do believe by the end of 2024, we might see $100 AVAX, maybe even a $200 AVAX, but it is far from $1,000. But not saying it can't hit $1,000, because I do believe it's building like crazy and will be one of the top blockchains in the future to come. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notifications right now, man. We're going to continue to bring AVAX videos each and every chance I get, because it is one of my best crypto projects, best performing crypto projects, and it is a blockchain that will be around for years to come. So Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.